Hey, welcome back to the video. So in this video, we're gonna replicate this design from scratch using Elementor. Okay. So like you can see that I have picked a random image from Google, and this is the home page or the hero section of our website. So in this video, we're gonna replicate this whole design using Elementor Pro Flexbox Container, which is based on CSS Flexbox Container. So let's start the video. Okay, so for replicating the whole design, I have installed a fresh WordPress website on Insta WP site. Okay, I'm gonna replicate the whole design from scratch for you. So like here you can see that I have a blank page. Okay, this is a fresh installation of the WordPress, and I don't have any plugin right now. So I'm gonna make this from scratch all. So it is the home page, so let's get started. So for making this home page or the main hero section, we have to use some plugins. So let's get started and be in the video and see how I am doing this. Okay. So first of all, we need a plugin called Elementor and Elementor Pro. So let's search here Elementor. Okay, so we need this, and in this image you can see that there is header and footer also. The I think there is only the header, and it is not footer. It is a logo just. Okay, so let me see if my plugin is installed or not. Here, yes, my plugin is installed. Okay, so let's activate the plugin, and for using let's make it by using the free version. Okay, so next we have to make according to image, we have to make a header on the above the hero section. Okay, so for making the header, we need one more plugin, because in the free version of the Elementor we can't make a header and footer. Okay, so for making the header and footer, we need a plugin of the Elementor add-ons. So let's search here Elementor, and when you search here Elementor, you will get the plugin which is called Header and Footer Builder. Okay, so just install it, and let's get started. Let's activate this plugin. Okay, so for making this replica, you need only two plugins. Okay, so we had installed these two plugins. So let's start the video and make a new page. Then go to all pages. Here you can see that I have two pages. Let's remove all the pages first. Okay, so now you can see that I have no more pages. So let's go to add new and add a one page. So here you can see that I have added a home page here. Okay, so first let me do one thing. We need to install a theme which is called Hello Elementor. So let's go to appearance and then go to themes, then go to add new section, and here when you go to add new section, you will see that the theme will automatically generate. Okay, so when you go here, you will see that there is a theme Hello Elementor. Just install it, because it is very much compatible with the Elementor, and it is the official Elementor theme. So whenever you replicate any design using Elementor, so I'll suggest using this theme or extra theme. Okay, so let's delete the old themes. Okay, so we are now ready. So let's go to all pages. Okay, so first we have to add a new page. Okay, so this is our home page. Okay, so let's add a new page. Name it home. Then go to default template and make it Elementor full width. Okay, then publish. Okay, so your page is live. Let's go back and let's go to settings and go to reading. Then here you have to set the static page for the home page. Let's set the home page. Okay, let's save the changes. Okay, so if you view our website, you will see that the page we will make right now, it is live. Okay, so right now we don't have any layout or any header and footer. So let's start the video, and first of all we're gonna make the home page. Okay, So let's go to our pages, then go to all pages and go to edit and open this in the new tab. Okay, so let's go to edit with Elementor, and this will open the Elementor layout. Okay, so in this video we're gonna use the Elementor Flexbox container. So for activating it, let's cancel this, and here you can see that it is a pop-up coming. So let's activate the container from here. Let's activate this active, and for making it work you have to activate the next yet elements too. So let's activate it. So just save the changes. Okay, so after saving the changes, let's go to back our page and let's refresh the page. Okay, so like here you can see that we get the container. So let's start the video. So first of all, we have to make this in two sections. The first section is the header and the second section is the hero section. Okay, and the hero section of the two columns. So let's add a container of this. Okay, so inside the container we need to drag and drop this container, and we need to duplicate this. So when you duplicate this you will get two containers, and by going to here you can change its flexbox row and column direction. So it is right now row, then it is column reverse. Okay, so let's make this row and make it center. No, let's make it this and make it center. So like here you can see that according to this image we need a heading. So let's do this. Grab the text, web design. Okay, like here you can see that this is in the two lines. So for making it two lines you can add a break statement here, the HTML BR tag. Use that BR. Okay, it will automatically come below. Okay, so the next is our, so let's duplicate it and write it landing page. Here we are making the skeleton of the website, then we will style it using the CSS. So this is the uppercase, so then go to style and go to transform and go to uppercase. So this is uppercase. Let's add some lorem ipsum. Let's go to text editor and add a lorem ipsum here. Okay, then we need a button, then go to widget section and add a button here. Okay, and for this, okay, so let's first make the styling of this. Okay, so first make the styling of this. For making the styling, so here you can see that we have some padding above and below. For adding the padding, go to here and okay, go to here and go to advanced and give some padding from above and top and below. So I'm gonna give 70 from above and 70 from below. Let's give 100. Okay, so here you can see that the text is very bold. So let's go to here and let's change its color according to the image. We're gonna try to replicate the whole design. So this is dark blue. Let's use this. Okay, and this is very bold. So go to here. Let's increase the size and make it more bold. Okay, so this is much more similar, I think. You can also change the font here. So I'm gonna use the Poppins font. So use this. So okay, so let's increase its size little bit more. We'll make it 65. Okay, so next is the our landing page. It is much more similar. So let's just make it little bit dark color. Okay, so let's make this size 25. Let's make it 30. Okay, so this is much more similar. Okay, so then the next is our landing. Okay, so this is the same color, I think. So let's go to here and just copy the CSS hex code and go to this and go to text and copy this to here. Okay, so now you can see that according to this image the text is little bit in the left side. So for making this, go to hover on the text. Okay, so this lorem ipsum, and go to above margin and add some margin in the right direction. Okay, let's add some margin in the right direction. Okay, so let's add it 200, and here you can see that it has some space above, so let's add a margin from the top also. Let's give it 50. uh, let's give it 40. Okay, so this is done. Okay, then the next is our learn more button. Then go to button and change the text. First of all, we see which is the, okay, so this is the learn more. Okay, so this is the same color which we are using above, so let's go to here and just copy the hex code, then go to read more and go to the background type and paste here. So like in the image you can see that it has the border radius. So let's first go to text color and make it white and go to border radius and add 50, so it will become the circle from the left and right. Okay, so this is much more similar. I think it has a little bit padding, so for padding just go to here and make this and add the padding according to you. Okay, okay, so this is looking much similar, and if you want to give padding according to you, okay, so go to here and just link this off. Okay, so after linking this off you can add custom padding to every section. So let's add some padding to the top 12 below, and 15 and 15, like in this way. So I'm just demonstrating how to do it. So this is the, okay, so this is almost ready, and here here we have one more thing, which is the social icon. So for adding the social icons below the button, go to the widget section and search here social. When you search the social icon, it will automatically generate for you. Okay, so now we can see that it has only the color like this. So let's make it. Go to here, then go to custom color, and okay, so this is the color, the dark blue one which I am using in the main heading. Then go there and copy the hex code and go here and just paste the hex code. Just paste the hex code here. So like you can see that we have the background, no background. Okay, so let's go to here and just make it transparent. Okay, so this is done, and if you want to change some, I think we have to fix some size issue. uh, let's make it this, and you can see that according to design we have some margin above. So let's go to here and go to advanced, then link this off and add some margin above. Let's make it 30. Okay, so this is almost looking similar, and if you can see that it has very little space. So for making the space little, go to the social icons, go to styles, spacing, and remove the spacing. Okay, so now you can see that in this video I have a image below, so I don't get the same image. So if you want to add the image below, you can go to online website like shape png or png tree, and you can find some designs. Okay, so in this video I don't want to make this video long, so I'm just adding a background. Okay, so let's go to here, then go to style, and let's go to this section. So first let's grab this color. Okay, then go to here main container, then go to background type and go to here and add this. Okay, like you can see that this is very much, so let's make it little. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, so the next step is we have to add this image. So this is not an image, this is looking just like an image. This is a Lottie animation. So for adding the Lottie animation, you have to go to this website Lottie files, and search for office. So if you search for office, you will get tons of animations, and choose the one which suits you according to your need. Okay, so for this I'm gonna use some lottie animations. Let's use this according to color. I'm gonna use this. Just click it, and you will get the option to download here. Okay, let's go to download, and here you can see that lottie JSON download. So you will get a JSON file from here. Then go to our editor. So for adding a lottie animation here, we need to go to the widget and search here lottie. Okay, so like you can see that this is the pro feature. Okay, so for making it, we need to install some plugins. So let's go to plugins and go to install plugins. Then go to add new. Then search for Elementor. So when you search for Elementor, you will get some add-ons. So I'm gonna use here essential add-ons. Just activate it. You can also use the lottie animation if you have the pro version of the Elementor, but in this video we're gonna make the whole website by using the free version, all the free tools. So let's use this. Okay, so this is installed. So let's go to back here. So first update the changes, and now refresh the page. So when you refresh the page, if you go here and search for lottie, okay, so this add-on is also don't have any lottie animation, I think. So let's try some more plugins which have a lottie animation. Okay, so let's go to Elementor, and we need to install some more like premium elements kit. I think it will contain some lottie widget. Let's activate this also elements kit. So after activating, just let's refresh it one more time. Okay, so let's search here lottie. Okay, so now you can see that we get the widget. So let's drag and drop the anyone. So I'm gonna drag and drop this, and you can see that here is the external URL. Then go to media file. You can also link it by using the external URL, but in this I'm gonna use the media URL. Okay, go to select file, go to downloads, and choose the lottie animation you have downloaded. You can also use the lottie animation by using the URL. Okay, so it is uploaded. Let's select. Right here you can see that our lottie animation is now ready. So for making the center, we're gonna use the Elementor Flexbox. So let's go to here, the main container, and make this center. Okay, so this is center. So now let's go to here and make and increase its size. Okay, so it is increased, and so let's make it like this, and let's make it 150. Okay, so this is, I think, looking better. Okay, so this is looking better. So let's update the page and see a live page first. Then go to this and view page. Okay, cancel the rest. Okay, so like here you can see that our home, the main banner is almost ready. We get the lottie animation, and we get the almost similar designs. And if you add the same images or this, you will get the same design. Okay, so this is ready. So let's make the header. So for making the header, we have to go to plugins, go to appearance, and go to Elementor header and footer builder. Then go to add new, skip it. Okay, then go here and write header, and select option, go to header, then display on entire website, choose the entire website, then user roles all, and default template, choose the Elementor full width, and just publish it. Okay, so this plugin lets you make the custom header and footer for your website. Then go to edit with Elementor. Okay, so according to image, you can see that we have a logo text and some URLs here. Okay, so let's make some links first. Links means menus. So let's go to a dashboard, then go to appearance and go to menus. Okay, so let's make it a menu. Let's make it final menu, name it, and select this header. Okay, so now you can see that we're gonna make the custom links here. So first let's add the main page here, add to menu, and rest of the pages we're gonna make this custom. Let's add it hash, make it about us, add to menu. What we get all about us, services and contact. About us, hash, services, contact. Okay, so if you want to add your pages, you can go here and add like this. And but right now we don't have any page, so I'm using the custom links. And in this URL, you can add your page URL. Okay, so this is ready. Let's save the menu. So when you save the menu, let's go back to the header section and let's refresh. Okay, so for making the header, we need we need a container. Let's make the container. Okay, so this is the container. Now we need a text. So let's first make the skeleton. This is the text. Then we need menu. In this I'm gonna use a simple menu of this, or you can use the navigation menu. Okay, then choose this, and at last we have a button. Let's go to here and add a drag and drop button here. Okay, so this is the navigator. If you want to adjust where you want to place, go there and choose. Okay, you can just drag and drop from here. Okay, so like here you can see that this is not in the center. Let's go to here and go to here and make it center. Okay, so this will center. If you want to space between, I'll suggest go to space between. Okay, so this is center, and if you want to align it from center from the vertical direction, choose the align item center. And if you want to align it center from the horizontal direction, then go for justify content. Okay, so this is center. Let's change its name, logo. So this is the menu and this is the button. Then go to the image. Here it's written get started. So let's make this, change the text, get started. Okay, so right now you can see that this has different color. So let's choose the color. If you go to home page, we have make this. So let's make it global. So for making the global, create, because we don't want to copy the hex color again and again. So let's make it global and let's update it. Okay, go to here, update it. Let's refresh, because we make our global color, so we have to refresh the page. Okay, so it is refreshed. Let's go to here. Okay, so let's change the color. So it is black. Let's go to here and change it to black. Let's go to here, change its color, background, then make it the global color. Okay, and we have some borders. Let's go to here and add a border radius of 100. Okay, so this is looking almost similar. We have to decrease the padding. Okay. Okay, so this is almost similar. Let's go to here and give some padding more from the right and left. Okay, so this is done. Now you can see that we have this menu, and this menu we have to change its color. Okay, so let's change its color and make this. And for the active menu, we're gonna choose the new this. Okay, so let's update. And let's go back to our website. Let's visit, and when you visit, you will see that it has a menu above. Okay, so we have almost replicated our design. So here you can see that we have almost replicated the design. Here the menu is little bit in the left section, so you can do this. Okay, so you can do this. Just go to here and add a little bit margin from the left. So let's add 100. Okay, let's make it 50. 300, 400. Let's make it 400 and let's save. Okay, so let's refresh our website at last time. Okay, I think it's not changing. Let's make it back. Okay, so let's make it space between. Okay, so here you can see that. So if you want to make it left align, you have to add here two sections and then make it. Okay, so you can see that our design is almost replicated and it is looking much more similar. And if you use same images and background, you will get the same layout. Okay, so this is ready. Okay, so if you like such type of videos, please subscribe to the channel and share our videos with your friends. So I'm gonna see you next time.